in our rental van. Right, we made it to Claude Monet's gardens. So we're gonna go explore now. Our first stop outside of Paris was actually in Giverny. This is where Claude Monet grew up and did his Impressionist art. You can get in here for free, but if you are wanting to see the actual museum, it's 23 euros per adult, and that's over the age of 17. Kids under 7 are free, and then from ages of 7 to 17 are 650 euros. The food here was also delicious, absolutely delicious. I'm glad we stopped here. We went to the Giverny Monet Gardens, and now we're headed to the D-Day beaches in Normandy. So the kids are sleeping. I don't know if you can see them or not. It's my brother. My mom's back there. Evan's driving. So yeah, we rented a big van, and yeah, so we've got sleeping kiddos everywhere. It's pretty great.
As with most trips with Joanna, we did not go straight to the Normandy beaches. She found a place that she had seen on social media that she had to see, and I gotta say, it was one of my favorite stops on the whole trip.
This stop is actually Honfleur, and it is one that I had seen for a while and wanted to go to, but didn't think I'd ever get the opportunity. So we actually saw it on a roadside, and I was like, hey, let's go there. So we just pulled off the road and went and saw the harbor. The harbor in Honfleur is absolutely beautiful. It's from the 16th century. Right, we have found a merry-go-round in Honfleur. So, this is what we're doing right now. Oh my God! Jude, say hi! So Honfleur is an enchanting little fishing harbor from the 16th century. The buildings that surround it are actually from the 15th and 16th century, and they're all different colors, and it was just magical. I would highly, highly recommend going here. It felt like going back in time. There is a beautiful merry-go-round there as well, or carousel, not merry-go-round, but that thing was super cool. You just buy the tickets and get on it. Additionally, it's only 2 hours and 27 minutes away from Paris, so you can take a train there or you can actually drive. If you're driving there, I would just navigate directly to the harbor. There's an old church around there too to see, but we didn't have time to see that. We're at Omaha Beach. This place is crazy, and it's very reverent, and I really like that about this place. But so my grandpa landed here a couple days after D-Day. He was in the 9th Armored Division and was at the Battle of the Bulge. And so I'm really excited to take my mom there, and my brother and my sister and all of the children. So it's just really, really cool. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. It's just very special to me. So both my maternal grandma and grandpa served in World War II. So this part of history is extremely important to me. So my grandpa landed in Normandy a couple days after D-Day, and he was in the 9th Armored Division, and he actually served in the Battle of the Bulge and received 2 Purple Hearts, and he was sent over back to the US after an injury. My grandma served at an army hospital in the US, and that's where she met my grandpa. He was a patient in the orthopedic ward, and that's where she worked. Guys, this is an actual German bunker. We're walking into the German. This was my second time being in Normandy and going to the D-Day beaches. And I can tell you, just having family history there, that it is so incredibly moving to be there. The people are extremely respectful. They actually have American flags flying everywhere. It just feels really amazing to be a part of that. If you have a chance, I would highly recommend going here. Going into the bunkers, it just shows the vulnerability of the American and Canadian troops. Additionally, you can climb really everywhere and see just how open the beach was, especially, 80 years ago, how just vulnerable those troops were. The American cemetery is also just very moving to see. It is pristine and well taken care of, but it's just, means a lot to me to go to this part of the world. That's all we've got for you today, but if you found this useful and fun to watch, please like and subscribe. Also, if you've missed our France series, catch up here.